Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you had a great weekend. Today, I'm in the kitchen and I want to show you a wonderful and delicious chicken salad, tarragon and almond chicken salad. Tarragon has a unique flavor, closely resembling to licorice, but I assure you this elegant herb makes this salad extra special. I'm excited to show you how to make this flavorful chicken salad, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a medium bowl, add two 12.5-ounce cans of chunk chicken breast. Break the chunks with a fork until the chicken is shredded. Place that to the side. In a small bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using avocado mayonnaise. Next, add 2 teaspoons dried tarragon. When you add the tarragon to the mayonnaise, make sure you crush it with your fingers while sprinkling it into the mayonnaise. This will bring out the flavor and the wonderful aroma of the tarragon. Now add 2 teaspoons onion powder, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon salt. Stir the ingredients together until they are well blended. Now add 1/3 cup of sliced almonds. Stir well until combined. The dressing is ready. Add this creamy and flavorful dressing to the shredded chicken. Stir well until all the chicken is coated with the dressing. And yes, I will scrape the bowl. Chicken salad is made. Let's cover it with a bowl cover. I get these at the Dollar Tree. They come in handy when bowls don't have their own lid. Place the salad in the refrigerator for no less than 2 hours. This will give it time for the flavors to come together. You could also leave it overnight. I've placed some of the salad in a small serving bowl. Now if you make this chicken salad for guests, sprinkle a little fresh or dried tarragon and some sliced almonds on top. That way, your guests will know the flavors that are in the chicken salad. Also, add a spoon for serving. This tarragon and almond chicken salad can be enjoyed on wheat or butter crackers, in a rye bread sandwich, or on a bed of greens, and even on its own. It's that good. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment. We would love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed already, please do. We wouldn't want you to miss our simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. Remember to stay kind and positive. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.